Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. It's live uncensored match preview show as San Miguel taking on Rain or Shine Elastro Painters. It is a best of 7 semifinals of the 2015-2016 PBA Philippine League Cup. Now, and for the first time ever, we will be having a times 2 match preview show because times 2 more fun, times 2 more excitement, times 2 more features to come. So, paghandaan nyo yan mga kabarkada. Anyway, balik tayo sa match preview. Ang tatalakayin natin ay ang Game 1 at Game 2 ng Best of 7 series ng semifinal ng PBA Philippine Cup between San Miguel Beermen and Rain or Shine Elastro Painters, which is tomorrow night at 7 p.m. and on Thursday at 7 p.m. both MOA Arena and Smart Araneta Coliseum respectively. San Miguel are make their way to the semifinals after an almost a slip down to the quarterfinals thanks to the NLEX Road Warriors win over Rain or Shine. That results Rain or Shine continues at the number 3 spot and they face on the knockout quarterfinals. However, they met again once again after Rain or Shine beating Talk and Text and Blackwater Elite respectively. Now I have a report talks about the preview match for tomorrow's game on Game 1 and Game 2. On one side are the guys holding the throne, eager to maintain their dominance atop of the PBA. On the other hand, a group of title-star at the battle-tested veterans who are hoping to finally break through and retain the honor as the PBA's best. Only one can advance to the final. It is expected to be a physical battle between SMB and Rain or Shine ahead on the best of 7 semifinal series of the 2016 PBA Philippine League Cup playoffs. The series commenced with Game 1 on Tuesday on January 5, 7 p.m. at MOA Arena, and Game 2 on January 7, 7 p.m. also at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Beermen entered the PBA season as favorites to retain as Philippine Cup champions and quickly displayed their potential with a deeper and even more experienced roster out of the gates, led by clear-cut best player in the PBA today and two-time reigning league MVP Junmar Fajardo. San Miguel lost only twice in 11 games, with most of its victories coming via comfortable margins. San Miguel almost finishing the number 1 seed, and they taken away to the Alaska, which is currently in the number 1 seed, and they already face Global Port on the other side of the semifinal. San Miguel nearly blew its chance at the quarterfinals by losing to Alaska in their ender, but an unusual mishap by the team they're about to face helped them clinch to the number 2 seed and free ticket to the semis. So, matindi ang lalabanan itong San Miguel Beermen as they face Rain or Shine Elastro Painters ulit in the semis. Last time natalo tayo sa Rain or Shine sa elimination round games with a score of 99-84. Coach Leo is looking for a bounce back defeat against Rain or Shine last time that they met. Pero still the good news is Paul Nee will out for 2 months due to slight tear in his ACL injury. So, magandang big break itong San Miguel Beermen para puslit ang rain or shine sa pagkapanalo noon. Rain or shine are bluing gaining the top seed due to defeat to NLEX Road Warriors, but they were beaten against TNT and Blackwater that drives to semis. So, matinding labanan itong game number 1 at game number 2 dahil palakas ng tama itong game na ito. Kaya masyadong mahirap sabihin kung anong paglalabanan itong San Miguel Beermen. When game 1 tips off, it will have been 3 weeks since SMB last played. Whether it's going to be Ross that slows them down or a quick rest that gives them a hot start battling a rain or shine team that on a roll will be difficult. Ang kailangan natin ng victory ng San Miguel Beermen is to accomplish in 2 points. On defense, Rain or Shine took away the Beermen's biggest strength and forced the other guys to beat them. Fajardo is the only player with double-double performance with 20 points and rebounds respectively, and he's limited only 7 shot attempts for 13 points to go with 10 boards. That number of shots is misleading because the MVP did take 12 free throws, although when you compare it to the number of the attempts others SMB players took, there's no wonder why Rain or Shine took control of the contest. Here's the 5 key players of SMB to watch out for tomorrow's game. Arvin Santos, Alex Cabagnod, Marshall Lassiter, Chris Ross, and Gabby Espinas. We need these players to be in the starting lineup. Kaya ang prediction sa akin for starting lineup will be Espinas will start, Chris Ross, Fajardo, Santos, and Cabagnod. That 5 guys who took more shot attempts than the best pure Filipino basketball player alive today, which is unacceptable. Cabagnod started undoubtedly a talented scorer, but his top priority must be able to feed Junmar's the ball. So, kailangan mag-focus sa assist niya kay Junior Fajardo para maganda yung nilalaro nila itong San Miguel Beermen. San Miguel Beermen have shot 7 out of 34 from the field, which is equivalent to 21% in the lost game to the Elasto Painters. And this conference shot only 31% from outside until they make Rain or Shine pay for leaving guys open. So, Beermen can now allow shoot only neither 30 to 35% percentage on shooting from the field. Until they make Rain or Shine pay for leaving guys open, they know that tell his team to double or triple team Fajardo and force him to kick out 2 misfiring shooters. Lassiter is also a best shooter. Santos also had good scoring. Cabagnod has good on 3-point shooting. But Ronald Tubit is not enough on taking any shot from the position. So, kailangan itago nila yung performance ng San Miguel Beermen para bukas kung kakailangan natin ito. Pero kailangan mag-ingat sa depensa ng Rain or Shine dahil we have to watch out for Raymond Almasan and Bo Belga. We need to keep on an eye on both of players from Rain or Shine to watch out for. So, nakakahirap itong game na ito para bukas at sa Webes na laro. My starting 5 on game 1 will be Espinas, Cabagnot, Santos, Fajardo, and Lassiter. Sa game 2 will be Ronald Tubid, Santos, Fajardo, Cabagnot, and Lutz. That's my starting 5 prediction on both these games 1 and 2. So, kakailangan natin itong panalo sa dalawang serye para 2 steps closer to the championship game, which we want to retain the Philippine Cup for, and looking for another trip to Grand Slam. So we need to win this game in every single at the time. So yung balita na yan, galing to sa Rappler. So yun na yun. So that's my preview on the games 1 and 2 on the semifinals, best of 7 between SMB and Rain or Shine. Do you agree on the starting 5 prediction on those 2 games, games 1 and 2, on my prediction? Or you have any comments on the starting 5 to choose any SMB players? Tell us in the comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebeermanfantv, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram at thebeermanfantv. I'm Andrew Alvaro, and we'll see you on the game. And remember, fear the beer. Come on, Beerman. We are still the champions. We want to win this. We're gonna do this. Shut up. Bye.